Hello everyone! In this video we're going to continue to cover InVision Studio, and I want to demonstrate how we can use the integration between InVision Studio and Freehand to allow us to collaborate on our designs with colleagues or customers using Freehand. So stick around. So we have this design and I want to gather some ideas from my colleagues and get some feedback on how the screens are progressing, if the colors are okay, if there's anything we should change in our interaction, and gather some notes on where we should go next. So we can use Freehand to do that. We can click on the first icon here on the toolbar with these two small arrows and generate a new link that will use Freehand, and we can take this link and send it to our colleagues or our customers, and let's put this on the browser and see what happens. Let me open the browser and paste this in. So I've already sent this to a person. So this will generate a link which we can join in as a guest, or we can use our InVision account to log in. So let's do it. Okay, once we are in, we can start drawing, and we can see in real time what other people are writing and doing as well. So we can resize this as we want. We can use this to add some to-dos, for example. Let me see. Improve options screen. Add onboarding screens. Add loading screens. So we can use this to collaborate in real time with other colleagues. We can add pictures here, or we can also refuse criticism if you want. Like we can be the dictators here, if that's your thing. But we can also use this to draw complete screens and just collaborate here in a way that it's really easy if you're working with remote teams. And this is what I wanted to demonstrate from Freehand and InVision Studio. So integration is very, very good. Everything is running from the InVision Studio app, and it's a great way to collaborate. So if you're working on initial stage of your designs, or even in a later stage, this is a great way to gather feedback using remote teams. So I'll see you on the next video where we continue to cover InVision Studio. Bye.